Following the euphoria of completing your degree, your thoughts may quickly transpire to the thought of actually finding a job. Fortunately, commercial roles are abundant, so you'll soon have a job in no time. But what should you expect? What will be your responsibilities as a graduate QS? And has university provided you with all the tools to excel in your career? In today's video, we'll provide you with valuable insight and information to ensure you're equipped with all you need before starting your new job. But before we start, we've recently reached 12,000 subscribers, which to us is a phenomenal honour. So for the month of January, we've decided to reduce the cost of our lifetime template license from £24.99 to £19.99. At present, you'll receive 11 commercial templates all ready to go for your work or education. When new templates get added or existing templates get updated, you get it for free. You only pay once. It's not called a lifetime license for no reason. Okay, on to the video. Let's make this very clear. University has and will only provide you with the foundation of knowledge required to succeed as a QS. Just like your driving test, you've only been taught how to pass the exam, not how to drive. Unlike driving, however, you will be learning new techniques and knowledge throughout your career. So don't worry, you won't be expected to know a lot when you start your graduate QS job. Which leads me on to the structure you should be expecting when you start. As a graduate, you should have someone more senior to report to. They should also be your first port of call for any advice or support. If you're offered a job where you're the only QS, it may be a tough introduction into the world of quantity surveying. What will your responsibilities be as a graduate? Realistically, for the first year or two, your responsibilities will be limited. You will most likely be processing subcontractors' payment applications and drafting pre-created subcontracts. You'll also be required to assist your senior or QS with admin tasks, such as updating variation registers and submitting early warnings. To succeed as a graduate QS and move up the career ladder, we've listed 4 things you should thrive to do. Number 1, don't be afraid to ask questions. As a graduate, you are learning. Take this opportunity to find out as much as you can about your role and the role of a quantity surveyor. Number 2, create a niche for yourself. Being good at Microsoft Excel or building a relationship with a client can make you invaluable to your team. This will put you in good stead for a promotion or pay rise. Number 3, take on more responsibility. As a graduate QS, this is a time in your career where you should be asking for more opportunities. Trust me, when you're a QS, senior or managing QS, you'll be too busy to ask for more. This shows your management team that you're keen and competent in your role. And finally, number 4, try and enjoy it. With the limited responsibility you have, building a good rapport with your colleagues is important. Knowing the right person can save you a lot of time in finding the right answer to a problem that you may have. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.